Want to make your WhatsApp messages pop and grab attention with eye-catching visuals? This quick tutorial shows you exactly how to upload images to Aisensy, so your media looks great every time. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the media library. This is where you'll store all your images. Look for a button that says something like Add Media, Upload Image, or simply a plus sign icon. Click that button, and a window will appear, allowing you to select the image file from your computer. Aisensy supports common image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Make sure your image is in one of these formats. Once you've selected your image, it will be uploaded and previewed within Aisensy. At this stage, you might have options to crop, resize, or add out text. For accessibility, consider adding out text describing the image to help users with visual impairments. Finally, click the Save button to finalize the upload. Your image is now stored in your Aisensy media library and is ready to be used in your WhatsApp campaigns. It is ready to use in your WhatsApp campaigns to boost user engagement. Now, when composing your WhatsApp messages, you can easily select and insert your uploaded image. That's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to Aisensy. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your WhatsApp marketing efforts.